Hey all, Kevin E. West here, the Communication Entrepreneur. And today I want to share a little secret with you because poor communication is just the worst, right? It wastes time. For some of us, it causes us to lose sleep over confusion. And as we know, it just doesn't have to be this way. So I want you to take from me a little trick that's been used for years in radio and television called the reset. And the reason why they use a reset of information is because they have no idea when you, the listener, have tuned in. So commonly throughout the course of a long segment or coming back from a commercial break, they will reset literally what station we're on, who I am, who was just listening, who was talking, who will be talking. It's just a reset of information. And the truth of the matter is, if you get in the habit of doing this, and you do it consistently in your text threads if they're long, or email change, and even chain. Even if you are in a room and someone new walks in or a new team member, you know you have to do a certain amount of information. But if you get used to doing resets all the time, then the people in the communication will always be aware of where they're at. And I promise, it seems micro, I know it does, but over the course of time, it will save you hours in your life if you just learn a pretty quick, simple 4, 5, 10, 15-second ability to hit the reset button and restate even a subject line in an email to keep everybody on the same page. It works. Hit the reset button. Okay.